we're gonna check the cabin filter on a 2022 Honda Civic. It's gonna be located behind the glove box here. Gonna need to remove the glove box door. It comes off pretty simply. It has a damper right here on the side that all you gotta do is push down and it'll disconnect. Alright. Then all you have to do is push the glove box inwards to get it past its stoppers here. That's on both sides. Okay. The glove box will drop down. Then all you have to do is pull it off the hinge. Okay. Just pull it towards you. Nice and gentle. And it'll come right off. Cabin filter is located in this compartment right here. Just push this tab inwards. Same thing on this side. Push it inwards. And the door will come right off. And there's the filter there. You can go ahead and just grab it. Pull it off. We're just checking this one today. It should be pretty clean. The car is pretty new. Pull it all the way out. And there's this one's pretty clean. When you get your new one, just stick it right back in the way this one came out. And notate this one's airflow down. And then get the cover and it just snaps back on, okay? Just notate this says up. Alright. And the glove box will just snap back on. Okay. Just push it back on its hinges. Push it up. Okay. And then push the damper back on. And then you're all done.